Yes, good morning. Keep safe from work. I just finished eating my lunch and now I am relaxing. Keep safe. Talk to you later, okay? Call me back when you get home. I am waiting. I got I got I took a nap. I took a nap earlier uh after a few hours that I wake up this morning because my sleep is not enough. Yeah, after my son went to school, I sleep again and now I wake up, I finish my lunch and